Here's a 1973 Buick Century. It was built August of 1972. If you can see that, there's the VIN number. The engine was just rebuilt. That's the Buick 4-barrel. So that's the larger of the two Buick 350s offered. Sort of get a look at it with its doors and hoods and trunk lid open. We'll come back to the engine in a moment. But it's a good looking car. You know, it's completely rust free. I bought it from the original owner. He had special ordered this car specifically with a 4-barrel Buick 350 and 3-speed manual, and that's a shift on the column. There's the spare, matching wheel, matching spare as it would have come from the factory. Let's hear this trunk lid close, shall we? Take a look at the interior now. The door panels, good quality Buick. Door panels, upholstery. Dashboard has a couple little cracks, but geez, just not too bad. Vinyl floor mats. Got the rear seat that's still in good condition. And also the door panels in here. It does come with a clothing rack, so you can hang your business suits up when you're traveling from town to town selling your shoes. Not your shoes, but shoes for a company. Ladies' shoes. I knew a guy that sold ladies' shoes, dresses, fur coats, everything right out of the trunk of his, it was a Tornado. This is way back in the day. Take a closer look here at the dashboard, which has survived really well. And it's got 112,689 miles on it. Everything works. Just in case you need a calendar of 1978, here it is from Hensley Petroleum Products, propane and propane products in Silver City, New Mexico. Definitely this is a New Mexico car all of its life. I met and know the original owner, who's now deceased. And I swear I didn't kill the guy either to get his car. Shell. And the, of course, everything here, the headliner and everything is intact. There's some stitching coming out here, so that's just about normal. It should be fine if you don't mess with it. It's a pretty good car. She runs really good. You can drive in and fly home, or fly in and drive home. It's your choice. Take a look at that Buick horn button. And for the driver door, it's got minimal wear. Let's see how that door closes. Not too shabby. See how this passenger door closes. Again, there's no rust on this car. It's a New Mexico car all its life. Let's give her a go here. That's your solid Buick automobile. Got brand new Hancocks on it. They're the Optimo H724s, and these are 15-inch wheels. See what the size is. These are 215/75 R14s. Oh, I thought they were 15s. Those are 14s. Original wheels. Most of the original Acorn caps. Take a look and see what the Buick engine bay looks like. You'll see this is original factory shroud here, and it houses your coolant overflow tank there, which I am missing the cap, which I am trying to find. It does have the AC components, most of them. The old guy that had it, you know, this is back in the 70s. He just pretty much called anybody that had an air conditioner in their car a pussy. And he literally cut the goddamn thing off of there. You know, he's just a crazy old cowboy. He played, he was some rodeo guy, was in the movies. You know, one of those type of fellas. So let's fire it up, see how she sounds. Looks like I might need to replace one of those belts. They're new belts, but I think one is larger than the other. It shouldn't be like that on a twin belt pulley. But the engine's got about 1,000 miles on it. I drained and the oil out of it, put fresh oil in. There we go. Now we have the choke off. Give you a better idea here. I have another master cylinder that I'll be installing. One of the circuits on that has failed, so I'll have that put on. But it runs really good, man. It'll burn rubber, and definitely first and second. Let's see how that door closes. The hood, I mean. Of course, it has a new windshield, radiator. I mean, the car's ready to go. It really is. It's a unique style. The paint is, you know, it's not the best paint job, but it's on there and it's kind of shiny. So this is just not too bad at all. It's a pretty good paint job. It'll stick on there. Let's try the headlights. Yeah, got the headlights on and the emergency flashers. Now you might want to put a new muffler on it, but that one's just fine. It's a single pipe exhaust, just like it left the factory. And that's about it. My time has expired. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.